If you're planning your next outdoor adventure, having the right gear makes all the difference. In this guide, we'll highlight the best sleeping bags for camping to keep you warm, comfortable, and well-rested under the stars. Number 1. Mereza Double Sleeping Bag. If you're after a versatile and roomy sleeping bag for your camping adventures, the Mereza Double Sleeping Bag deserves serious consideration. Designed for both outdoor and indoor use, this double sleeping bag can easily separate into 2 individual sleeping bags or queen-sized blankets, thanks to its practical wraparound zippers. Whether you're traveling with a partner, a child, or simply prefer extra space to stretch out solo, this product adapts to your needs. One of the standout features is its generous size, accommodating 2 campers up to 7 feet tall with ease. This roomy, rectangular shape ensures that even big and tall campers won't feel cramped, a common issue with many double bags. In terms of insulation, the Mereza bag performs well in cool to moderately cold weather. It's packed with a synthetic fill that retains warmth without excessive bulk, making it ideal for spring and fall trips. The manufacturer provides a temperature guide, but it's wise to remember that extreme ratings indicate survival rather than comfort levels. Most users find it cozy in temperatures ranging from 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. A thoughtful design touch is the separated bottom zipper that allows you to vent your feet, which is great for temperature regulation on warmer nights. Another highlight is the inclusion of 2 220G plush camping pillows. This extra detail enhances the comfort factor, giving a more restful, home-like sleep experience outdoors. The contoured 3D hood with adjustable drawstrings adds to this by preventing heat loss and securing your pillow in place. Anti-snag zippers and draft tubes backing the zippers help seal and body heat effectively. Overall, the Mereza Double Sleeping Bag delivers on space, comfort, and adaptability, making it a reliable companion for couples and families alike. Whether you're car camping, glamping, or even using it for indoor sleepovers, this bag covers all the bases for a comfortable night's sleep. Number 2. Coleman Sleeping Bag. The Coleman Big and Tall Sleeping Bag is a standout option for campers who need a reliable, winter-ready sleeping bag with plenty of room to spare. Made with a rugged cotton cover and a soft synthetic flannel liner, this bag offers a warm, cozy sleeping space that feels like a blanket from home. Its 40-inch by 84-inch size easily accommodates individuals up to 6 feet 5 inches, making it a perfect choice for taller or bigger campers who often feel restricted in standard sleeping bags. What makes this sleeping bag excellent for cold weather camping is its 5 pounds of Holofil 808 insulation, engineered to retain body heat effectively even when the mercury drops as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for year-round use, especially for those who venture out during early spring or late fall when nighttime temperatures can be unforgiving. The bag's fiberlock construction prevents insulation from shifting, ensuring even warmth distribution and long-term durability. The no-snag patented zipper is another highlight, designed to prevent frustrating hang-ups common in many other bags. Additionally, the draft tube along the zipper's length works effectively to trap heat inside. Storage is made hassle-free with the wrap and roll system, which allows you to effortlessly roll and pack the sleeping bag into a compact bundle for transport and storage. Easy maintenance is another win for this Coleman sleeping bag. It's machine washable, and the flannel liner adds to the comfort while being simple to clean. Overall, this sleeping bag combines durability, warmth, and comfort in a package tailored for larger campers and cold weather. Its classic flannel-lined interior paired with a sturdy outer shell makes it one of the best options in its class for rugged camping trips. Number 3. Coleman Brazos Sleeping Bag. The Coleman Brazos Sleeping Bag is a dependable option for campers looking for reliable warmth and durability in moderately cold weather. Designed for temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, this sleeping bag ensures you stay comfortable when the nights get chilly. Measuring 75 by 33 inches, it accommodates campers up to 5 feet 11 inches, providing a snug fit without feeling overly restrictive. One of the bag's key features is its draft tube, which runs along the zipper to prevent heat from escaping, keeping the interior consistently warm. The bag's durable construction ensures that the insulation stays in place even after repeated use, maintaining its effectiveness over time. The no-snag zipper is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to zip and unzip the bag without frustrating snags. Packing up the Brazos is just as convenient. It comes equipped with fasteners to hold the rolled bag in place and no-tie cords to keep it cinched tight, making it easy to store in its included stuff sack. The bag's machine-washable design makes cleanup simple, an important detail for frequent campers. While it may not have extra frills like pillows or convertible options, the Coleman Brazos excels at what matters most, keeping you warm and comfortable through cool nights. Its simplicity is a strength, offering reliable performance at a reasonable price. It's an excellent choice for car camping, backyard sleepouts, or weekend trips where dependable insulation and easy maintenance are priorities. Number 4. Hizynice Sleeping Bag. For those who prioritize softness and generous space in a sleeping bag, the Hizynice Sleeping Bag delivers impressive value. Made with a 100% cotton flannel lining, this bag offers a cozy, comfortable sleeping experience that rivals home bedding. It's a smart pick for 3-season camping, with an extreme temperature rating of 0 degrees Fahrenheit, though its comfort zone realistically sits between 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Measuring a roomy 90 by 39 inches, the Hizynice bag is ideal for campers up to 6 feet 7 inches. It also suits those who prefer extra space to sleep on their side or stretch out freely. Its anti-snag zippers work smoothly both inside and outside, while dual zippers at the top and bottom enhance ventilation on warmer nights. Another handy feature is the ability to zip 2 bags together, creating a double sleeping bag for couples or families. The bag can also be fully opened and used as a large mat, making it quite versatile for picnics or impromptu bedding. The draft tube along the zipper effectively traps warmth inside, while the machine-washable design adds convenience for easy care. Durability is evident in its construction, from the soft flannel interior to the water-resistant outer shell. Just remember to wash it on a gentle cycle and protect the shell's coating for long-lasting use. For those seeking a flannel-lined, big and tall-friendly sleeping bag for chilly nights, the Hizynice is an excellent, comfortable choice. Number 5. Amazon Basics Sleeping Bag. The Amazon Basics Sleeping Bag offers a solid, no-nonsense solution for couples or individuals who appreciate spacious, flexible sleeping arrangements. This queen-size double sleeping bag measures a generous 87 by 59 inches, comfortably accommodating 2 adults or fitting solo campers who prefer extra room to sprawl. The design conveniently splits into 2 separate single sleeping bags, providing excellent versatility whether you're camping with a partner or not. Its temperature rating of 40 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for cool weather camping, particularly in spring and early fall. Hollow fiber insulation ensures efficient heat retention without making the bag overly heavy, providing a good balance between warmth and portability. The 100% polyester shell is durable and resists wear and tear, while the brushed tricot liner adds softness and warmth. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.